Okay, so hello guys, and today we will review Chief Keys Final Reach. So we will talk about the sound quality and the beats and just the overall. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like the video and turn on the notifications so you know when I post my next video. Let's get started. First, I'll rate the first track, which is called Love Sosa, and it's a banger, it's a hit, and it's hard to hate it if I'm being honest. So the beat is majestic, and it's one of the best beats I've ever heard. And for sound quality, it's even better than the beat. Like it's very good, I say so. For the first track, I'll give let's say 8 out of 10 hits on my playlist. Yeah, so yeah. And for the second track, which is called Hallelujah, I'll now start rating it. So for the beat, I like the beat. It's like pretty simple, but it's it's a good trap beat, And for sound quality, it's the same as Love Sosa, and it's pretty good. I'd say there's no problems with it or anything, and the song overall is like I'd say 6 out of 10 or 7 out of 10. And now for the I don't like with its features release. If you don't like this song, you're not my friend. It's a global hit. It's a banger. But now for the beat, it's I can vibe with it, and it's you can play this at a club and everybody will start dancing and partying. And for sound quality, it's the I like the sound quality. It's like the same as La Sosa, you know, of of course. And I'll give the complete song 10 out of 10 out of this album. No, no, there's no problems with it, and I like lyrics as the verse that he made. So 10 out of 10. And for Not Tomorrow, I don't remember much of it, cause I haven't listened to it a second time. But I remember I didn't like the song when I listened to the album. And yeah, I'll give it a 5 out of 10 just because I don't remember what it sounds like. And the fifth song is called Hey Been Sober. It's also pretty much a hit, I say. It features 50 Cent and Wiz Khalifa, which I'd say go together pretty goodly, They have a lot of the same personality, if you know what I mean. And then, it's a catchy. The hook is catchy. And yeah, the beat, I like the beat very much. But for sound quality, it's not like it's pretty good. So I'll give this a 7 out of 10. Now it's the sixth track, I think, or the fifth. So it's called KK, and I don't also remember much of it because it's not in my playlist. Surprise! But I remember listening to it and I didn't like it. I remember, if I remember correctly, it has a lot of autotune, So yeah, I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Now the seventh track, which is called Light to the Bank, and it's pretty popular for the one part, ha ha ha. It's like you can remember it very easy, but the song, I don't like it at all. It's just it misses Chief Keef. It's just mostly ha ha ha, damn ha ha ha. So I'll give this one a 5 out of 10. And sorry again, but I don't remember much of the A-track, which is Diamonds with Montana. I don't remember, but like I also remember I really like it. And I listened to this album, and I might post this video again, but I'll listen to it again. But you all can comment if you all want me to do it. But for the track, I remember I didn't like it, so the SoundCloud I remember, but it was pretty good. So I'll give it a solid 4.5 out of 10. And I'm sorry again, I don't remember this track too much, but I remember maybe a lyric or two to it. But I don't want to say it because I don't think they're correct. But I remember it was catchy and the beat was pretty good, so I'll give this one a 5.2 out of 10. It's very specific. The video is ending, so the last two tracks, what was it, Understand Me, is a 6 out of 10, and the last one, Trihana, is a 7.23 out of 10. But stay tuned for the tomorrow's video. Bye bye.